Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to remove yourself from Facebook page as an admin. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first, we're gonna open the Facebook application. And once you've opened, all you have to do is to tap on the menu icon on the top right part of your screen, right below the messenger icon. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, all you have to do is to make sure that you're logged in to the page's account that you'd like to leave as an admin. You can make sure of that by checking on the profile tab and seeing the profile picture and the name of the page that you'd like to leave. Once you've confirmed, all you have to do is to scroll down for a little bit and head to the all shortcuts. Once you're there, all you have to do is to look for professional dashboard. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see the professional dashboard settings. And on here, all you have to do is to scroll down and head to the tools. And as you can see on the topmost, there is the page access. That is the one that we're looking for. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see the people with Facebook access of the page. And as you can see, you're on the topmost of the list. And to remove yourself from Facebook page as an admin, all you have to do is to tap on the ellipsis icon on the right part of your screen, right next to your name. Once you've tapped on it, you will see two settings here at the bottom of your screen, such as view access and remove from page. And to leave as an admin, all you have to do is to tap on remove from page, and you have to type in the password. And once you've typed in, you will be back here on your home page. And when you check your menu, that page is not on your shortcuts nor on the list of profiles when you tap on the drop down icon on your profile tab. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.